months old.
Oh.
And his mother's family's just on the end there. And they're the only two that are actually related. We've got Dre, the adult male. He came to us with Tammy from Great Manor, but he's not Scott's father. And Hobo, just at the top there, he was found in someone's garden in Dorset up a tree. It was picked up by the RSPCA and taken to Cricket St Thomas, and then he came to us from there. But despite only two of them being related, they get on really well. They're settled into a really nice family unit, and you'll see the youngsters playing together, and they'll all be grooming each other and stuff, so it's really nice to see.
Oh.
What you'll start to see is they start eating as well. They've got cheek pouches, and so it's a bit like hamsters. They'll stuff everything in, fill up their cheek pouches, and then they'll go sit somewhere a little bit later and sort of eat what they've got.
What did he say?
Yeah, you can start to see with Dre here that his cheeks are getting quite full.
That little one's so cool.
I like the little one
too. I like the baby.
Yeah, the baby's really nice, isn't he? Yeah. But yeah, they're really active and they'll just chasing each other around and everything. So.
Wow.
I'll leave you to enjoy watching them, and hope you enjoy the rest of the park.
Thank you.
Look. Mum, there's my house.